various reasons, folks, like to make sure that their homes are secure. Now, whether that's through video cameras, which I think a lot of people have installed inside and outside their homes. I guess I don't know if like just the one static shot doesn't quite feel like enough to keep your home safe.
Yeah, I don't have any of these things, but it's interesting because they do keep changing. Some of it's getting more user-friendly, pretty easy. You can check stuff from your phone.
Yep.
And this is the latest, let's call it an innovation. I don't know how I feel about this one, though. So why don't you explain what's going on?
It's not that the device itself makes me nervous per se, but I feel like if you have pets, this is probably going to be a no-go for you. But Ring has developed the Always Home Cam. It's a compact indoor drone expected to launch, sooner rather than later. The drone autonomously flies around preset routes on a single floor to let homeowners check rooms via the Ring app, then returns to its base to recharge. It takes about 5 minutes for it to charge up. It lacks a microphone, so it's not listening in on your conversation. It avoids obstacles like lights or furniture, and it's intended as an alternative to installing those multiple static camera shots. So maybe there is something suspicious that you've noticed on your Ring camera and it's out of frame and you're like, ah.
Well, out of frame also, allegedly, part of this is that it gives more privacy in that you don't always have to have a camera in, like, say, your kid's bedroom or this bedroom. It's not constantly going, but while you're gone, you could check and make sure everything is okay. So I see the intent. I even see the application. Yeah. I don't think that this is the kind of thing that I would specifically sign up for. It feels like my pets would be freaked out by it.
As a cat owner, she would never sleep.
Little Azzy would chase that thing down like it was a safari.
Yeah, first Cinnamon would be terrified, then she'd be like, it's gotta go.
And then also just, I don't feel like I need that much access to what's going on in my place at all times.
Me neither. I mean, my space really isn't that big, so one camera really ought to do it.
I don't really need a drone to get around to my twos of rooms.
Multiple high ceiling, one shot and I can see the house pretty much. But the price point for something like this, I feel like this isn't that bad. $250 just about.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah, from Amazon. And they claim
if it works the way it says it's going to work.
If it works how it should.
I've also been somebody that had a Roomba, and that thing sometimes is just in a corner, stuck. So who knows what's going to happen with the drone?
But they do say that the claim is that the device balances privacy and considerations, but critics do worry about the implications of a mobile, internet-connected camera inside private homes.
Yeah, and is somebody able to hack that or what? I don't know.
That's the last thing you need, man, is a hacked drone right there inside your house. Like, the cat wouldn't be the only one trying to swat it down.
This is easily the next, B movie out of some low-level studio. The drone that goes rogue in your home.
Greetings, Prime citizens. Today's forecast is a balmy 72 degrees.
And a drone in your face.
Drone. Yeah, right. And the drone is like, I think you're out of bananas. And you're like, I know, I'm out of bananas. A little peek inside my head for you.
Bananas is not the first place I went, but I'm glad
I don't know. That was something I took a stab at it. Coming up next on CoastLife, though, we're talking our great debate. This one has to do with camping, so we'll get to that up next.